Is that you? Honey? Honey? Babe! Oh, leave my eyes now. You like play. Ah, this woman. Baby, leave my eyes now. Baby, leave my eyes. Come and join me. You want to eat, right? Come and join me. Come and join me.
My husband.
You like play. You like play.
How are you now?
I'm fine. I'm good.
Hey.
Hope you're good.
Yeah, fine, my love. Do you know that? He's telling me come and play small with you before you travel.
You like playing, Go and get your small so you join me.
No, No, Najo is bringing my food. You eat your food now. We are busy drinking water. Eat your food.
I will like that. Go and get food now so you join me.
No, don't worry. Just eat. Eat up. Who is that? Who is that person? Honey? Baby, why are you covering my... Who is covering my eyes now? Honey? Honey, what is going on here? Who is that? John? Wait. When do we start playing that type of play that you will come and cover my eyes? Are you okay? Sorry, I talk to you. Why will you cover my eyes?
Okay, calm down. Joy, please don't try that again.
Baby, can you imagine?
I'm sorry.
Oh, this stupid girl come and cover my eyes. Are you okay? Are we late? Are we in the same category?
It's okay now, honey. Calm down. It's okay. Enjoy. Give her the food. Give her the food.
Why don't you give me my food? Sorry. Stupid girl.
It's okay.
Can you imagine?
It's okay. She just...
Honey, please eat your food. Eat. Eat now. Honey, eat your food now. She didn't even watch this food very well. This thing that this girl just did now. Can you imagine? And when do we start playing that type of play?
But this is really wrong. Why would she just call me like that? You know what? I need to go and find out who gave her that audacity to do that.
No, baby, calm down.
No. I need to warn her very well.
Baby, eat your food.
I'm coming. Don't worry, I'm coming.
Come and eat your
Calm down. I will eat the food. Calm down. Let me talk to her. Let me talk sense into this girl.
I don't understand. What type of rubbish place down? This man, come and eat this food now. Come and eat this man. Honey!
Don't worry, I'm here, baby.
Honey, come and eat your food now.
I'm here. I've warned her seriously. Don't try that next time.
Can you imagine?
Let's eat.
Maybe eat your food.
Let's eat.
Eat.
I'll eat it again. This food is so delicious.
You don't trust your wife again?
I know, you're the best food.
Eat up.
I enjoy your food whenever I'm home.
Eat.
That's why I don't like eating outside.
How would you eat outside when you have a chef like me?